Yes, sir.
So please proceed ahead towards the valedictory session proceeding. And invite with due respect to our chief guest of honors, Professor Anil Kumar Sharma sir and Professor Sandeep Malhotra sir as well.
Thank you, sir. Respected sir, now we are in position to sum of the international of opening all
Siddharth, there is some disturbance in the connection. Check your connection. Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is some issue with your voice. There might be some problem with your connection.
So now I am audible.
Yeah, now it is improved.
Respected sir, now we are in position to sum up the international conference after successful organization of opening ceremony and all technical sessions. Throughout valedictory session chaired by Professor Anil K. Sharma sir, Head Department of Biotechnology, MMDU Mulana, coordinated by Professor Raj Singh, co-convener of International Conference 2021, and our chief guest Dr. Sandeep K. Malhotra sir, former professor, Allahabad University, Allahabad. Now I would like to invite you, our convener, Dr. Sushil Kumar Upadhyay, sir, present a summary of 7 days international virtual seminar.
Thank you, Mr. Siddharth. Thank you very much. Chairperson,
Thank you, sir.
Co-chairperson and guest of honor, present excellencies, teacher, young participant and my dear friends. Good evening, Sadar Namaskar to all. I Sushil Kumar Upadhyay, convener of the International Virtual Seminar, feel proud privileged to get the opportunity to propose a summary of this brilliant, informative and enjoyable 7 days international virtual seminar on focal theme strategies to combat COVID-19, zoonosis and other communicable diseases. Indeed, it was an interdisciplinary and international event because of immense delivery in guests, delegates, young participants from 21 countries and 21 Indian states, including 75 universities. To such from south to east and west to south to north and west to east, and also their way of the research findings, ideas, deliberation. It fills my heart with joy and unspeakable to give rise in response to the warm and cordial affections, motivations, suggestions, and ideas given by all my delegates for making the event a grand success. Respected sir, the event was initiated by inaugural ceremony with the presence of stalwarts of the scientists, academia, and our guests. The inaugural session was chaired and presided by our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Hari Singh Gaur, Sagar University, former Vice Chancellor CSJM University Kanpur, TM Bhagalpur University Bihar, and Vice Chancellor Munger University Bihar. In the presence of guest of honors, Professor Sandeep K. Malhotra, Honorable Vice Chancellor IIMT University Meerut, Professor H.S. Singh sir, Honorable Padma Shri Professor R.C. Sopti sir, Honorable Honor Dr. Vinay Kumar Singh sir, and followed by the plenary sessions by Professor Sakupe Shamsi Madam from Charles Sturt University, Wagga, Australia. Respected sir, we have published and released the proceeding of the conference, including 19 full-length papers, 113 abstracts of 500 pages, holding ISBN. Respected sir, after that, the 6-day session was performed by several plenary sessions delivered by 35 speakers, delegates, and more than 50 young scientists. All the young scientists' presentation was keenly observed and judged by deputed respected jury members, and their result has been summarized right now by them. It was very tedious to summarize the result actually, but they had did the commendable task and summarized finally, and it will be honored by you by your lotus hand. In the last, sir, today we have listened our 4 invited speakers and several young scholars who did their research in their respective fields and delivered their presentation in a nice way, including Miss Archisa Paul, who is a student of 11th standard, but she has presented her talk so nicely, amalgamated with the Yoga Kriya. And by these words, in the last but not the least, respected excellencies, I wish to mention that all the talk delivered by our guests, delegates, was very interesting, informative, and enjoyable.
अच्छा ठीक है मैं
Now, like for Mr. Siddharth, please start the further proceeding. Mr. Siddharth.
Thank you so much, sir. You have to take the kind permission of Honorable Chair and announce the award one by one to slides here throughout after filling the name, address, and title of paper click, the clear and good quality. So I can share, please give me some time so I can list from the jury members, select from the jury members.
Yes, sir. I wish to confirm here that there are 3 types of presentation were categorized based upon the young scientist oral presentation who pursuing PhD in their respective field, young scientist poster presentation who is pursuing PhD in their respective field, and young scientist postgraduate, undergraduate, and other categories. By this way, in all these 3 categories, there are 3 medals. One for the best one, gold medal, followed by the silver, second category, and followed by the bronze medal of the same. Therefore, we have with us, there are 9 awardees whose name will be announced by Mr. Siddharth with their certificates. And their hard copy of the certificates along with medal will be dispatched using India Post, Speed Post, or registered post to their respective address. So, Mr. Siddharth, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, please, give me some time for collect the jury member, the list of the participants.
Doesn't matter.
Yes. Okay, sir. It was taking a fraction of second because most of the presentation has been evaluated by the jury members, but today's presentation was also in consideration, so they are summarizing actually the result. But if Siddharth, you have received the final result, please start proceeding.
Sir, my slides is visible. My screen.
It is going to be. Just wait for a minute.
अच्छा वो लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं.
It is not showing Mr. Siddharth. Yeah, right now screen is visible. It starts with the name.
dear friends and my colleagues, the first prize goes to Miss Chaitanya, PhD research scholar, Department of Microbiology, Jain deemed to be University, Bangalore. And her title is Screening and Evolution of Chromium Tolerant Microorganism from Soil of Industrial Area from Ranipet, Tamil Nadu. And the first prize goes to Mr.
The screen
Akhilesh
sharing.
Kumar. Yes, sir.
Yeah, proceed, please.
And the next first prize goes to Mr. Akhilesh Kumar Moria, PhD research scholar, Chemistry Laboratory, Department of Applied Science, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. And the first prize goes to Miss Dilpreet Kaur, student of BSc Honours, Department of Biotechnology, General Shivdev Singh Dhiwan Guruvachan Singh, Khalsa College, Patiala, Punjab. And she presented her research on this topic, microbial pigment production and their potential application in industries, a review. Now we can talk about the second prizes. Miss Bavita, PhD research scholar, Department of Biotechnology, Maharishi Markandesh deemed to be University, and she present her research on the topic Genotics, Helmintics infections treat to human health and sustainability. She goes to silver medal and second prize. Next second prize goes to Miss Kiran Upadhyay, PG student, Department of Zoology, KP Higher Education Institute, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. She presented her article on the topic Droplets Borne COVID-19 Pandemic, Elementary Concept, Mature and Indian of Deadly Subacute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. And second prize goes to Miss Mannat Dhaliwal, student BSc Honours, Department of Biotechnology, Khalsa College, Patiala, and she presented her research on the topic Health Complication Associated with COVID-19, a review. Now we come into the third prizes. Mr. Kumar Gupta, PhD research scholar, Department of Zoology, School of Life Science, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, and he presented his research on the topic chemoprofiling studies of honeybee venom using NMR and HPLC techniques. Now the third prize goes to Ms. Rachna Nara, PhD scholar, Department of Biotechnology, Maharishi Markandesh deemed to be University, Mulana, Ambala, Haryana. She presented her research on the topic antiviral potential of Naringin, current status and future perspective in related to COVID-19. Now the third participants who goes to third prize on the best of 100% attendance. Best attendance award goes to Miss Riya Raj from Banasthali Vidyapith, Jaipur, Rajasthan, for her unimpeded 100% attendance throughout 7 days international virtual seminar. Congratulations to all the awardees and those who as well who tried their best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Siddharth. Thank you for announcing the name of the awardees. Please unshare your slides so that I will proceed ahead. Now, with due respect and kind permission of Chair, I would like to invite our chief guest, Professor Sandeep Malhotra, sir, Chairperson, Professor Anil Sharma sir, kindly present the certificate of Special Young Scientists Award from under the auspices of International Association of Geologists. So please, sir, with your respect and your kind permission, I would like to share the slides of the young scientist recipient of the award, Young Scientist Award.
Yes, sure, you do it. Kindly share it.
Yes, sir.
जी जी बोलिए, जल्दी सेमिनार चल रहा है, जल्दी हाँ करो.
So, the first Young Scientist Award goes to Miss Archisa Pal, student of class 11th, Little Flower School, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Mr. Siddharth, you are requested to please show the gold medal of Miss Archisa Pal from your end as well. She is a very young student. She tries her best to present the VAS and techniques and Sudarshan Kriya for combating COVID-19 and its effect. Now the next Young Scientist Award goes to Mr. Dilip Kumar Yadav, is Research Scholar, Department of Geology, KS Saket PG College, Ayodhya. He is working in the field of fish and fisheries and parasitic diseases. His research was commendable for the task in the tribal areas. Now, I would like to call our next young scholar, Miss Anita Yadav. Miss Yadav is PhD research scholar in Department of Geology, CMP PG College, a constituent college of University of Allahabad, Central University, Allahabad, right now Prayagraj. She is working in the field of parasitology. She has incorporated a new task using EDX technology. I'm sure because I'm not very much aware about that very new technology. She has used that very technology in enumerating different aspects of parasites and their effect in their hosts as well. Her paper was really outstanding and the way of presentation was nice. Thereafter, it was selected as a Best Young Scientist Award. So congratulations to Miss Anita Yadav. Now I would like to call our special candidate, even though it was surprising for him, Engineer Siddharth Dan. He is a MTech scholar. He is doing throughout day-night work for making this event successful as a part of the team and chief organizing of the event. Even it was a surprise for him from the IAZ. He is right now pursuing MTech from Department of Biotechnology, IK Gujral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, Punjab. His expertise is very much. He has published more than dozens of papers. He is a member of several societies and Honorable President of Siddhi Artha Group of Education, which is a virtual mode of education, giving the education to the needy person free of cost by their own expenses. So congratulations to Mr. Siddhartha for doing innovative and excellent task for making society livelihood and sustainable. Now I would like to call our academicians who are doing the special task in their respective field. In this line, the Innovative Scientist Award goes to Dr. Deepak Yadav. Dr. Deepak Yadav is Assistant Professor in the Department of Geology, Miranda House, University of Delhi. He is a nanobiotechnologist working on the formulation of green nanoparticles for making or combating several cancers causes, especially to the breast cancer. So congratulations to Dr. Yadav. Now I would like to call Dr. Kavita Rani. Dr. Kavita Rani is a young, enthusiastic assistant professor from Department of Biotechnology, Meerut College, Meerut. She is working in fish parasitology, ichthyoparasitology, more especially dealing to monogeneans. And she is working over the Black River, Kali Ganga के नाम से जाना जाता है, in the Ghaziabad region, more especially over the Valugoatu. She has a commendable task, and right now she is working as assistant professor. Thank you, madam, and congratulations to you. And the next award goes to Dr. Nisha Rana. She is a scholar and assistant professor in fish and fisheries from Department of Zoology, Swami Vivekanand Subharti University, Meerut. She has did her research work from RGPG College, Meerut, and constituent college of Meerut University, Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut. She is doing over the fish taxonomy, and it is substantiated and evaluated by molecular phylogeny as well. Her task has been appreciated by several societies. He is recipient of more than dozens of awards in the exterior careers. So congratulations to Dr. Nisha Rana. And the best and most prestigious award of the Innovative Scientist category goes to Dr. Sadhguru Prakash. He is an assistant professor of Department of Zoology, MLK PG College, Balrampur. He is an expertise of fish and fisheries, working basically on the lentic water system, ponds of the Basti region, Balrampur, Gonda, Bahraich, Shravasti, Sant Kabir Nagar, etc. He has published more than 150 research papers, recipient of many more awards, and fellow of the several societies. His task is appreciated by especially the Nepal Aquaculture Societies as well, and recognized him as a fellow member. So congratulations to all the recipients. In the last but not the least, I would like to congratulate and felicitate Honorable President of International Association of Zoologists by Innovative Scientist Award, Dr. Ashish Tripathi. Dr. Ashish Tripathi is known as Sarp Mitra in Uttar Pradesh. He is a known environmentalist and biodiversity conservation. His work is appreciated by Uttar Pradesh government as well. His name is right now flashing and trailing in the special number category on the emergency call for making the Uttar Pradesh debt-free by the cause of snake bites. So congratulations to Honorable President Dr. Ashish Tripathi, Sarp Mitra of Uttar Pradesh, India. So thank you so much and congratulations to all the awardees. Now I would like to call Mr. Siddharth. Please proceed ahead for next step, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, now I would like to invite you, our sir, K. Sarma, sir. Sir, please say a few words about this conference. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Siddharth,
Thank you,
Honorable Professor Malhotra, to whom we are all indebted to make this second international virtual seminar a successful one. Everything which has beginning has an ending. So we are at the conclusion of this second international virtual seminar with a special theme on recent trends in life sciences and biotechnology. and with a special theme on combating COVID-19 zoonosis and other communicable diseases. What I realized is that sometimes you never know the value of a moment, but until it becomes a memory. So we had a wonderful 7-day sessions, and with many key deliberations which came out through this particular seminar, and variety of viral zoonotic disorders were discussed. We got a snapshots of many of these in the event, and what I realized is that human medicines, veterinary medicines, and environment, so challenges, they all should be viewed as a unity under the umbrella of One Health, because these three are quintessential whenever we talk about any ecosystem. If we talk about our Earth ecosystem, and the deliberations could be that effective control measures of specific zoonoses need to be developed, create, improve, and use the tools essentially to address the risk of contagions in the globalized society. So what I realize is that the area of functional genomics, proteomics, computational biology, histopathology, and biochemical approaches, along with signature motifs of virulence, as well as insight into the mechanism of host, parasite, host defense response, and immune evasion and pathogenesis. So these all, when we club together, I think we can find a sustainable solution to all these challenges which I talked about. And I truly anticipate that this conference has all these deliberations, and we all had a chance to interact. And at the end, what I realized is that unity, we affirm that unity is strength. And whenever there is a teamwork and collaborations, wonderful things happen like this. And I'm extremely thankful to all the esteemed speakers, international speakers. We had participation from a significant number of countries as well. And of course, from India also, many young minds, young, brilliant minds, they delivered their presentations very well. So I congratulate each and every one. And at the outset, I would be privileged to thank Dr. Sushil Upadhyay and the person, engineer Siddharth Dan, for working round the clock to make this conference a successful one. And my sincere thanks to Professor Malhotra as well, whom we are all indebted for being so instrumental in guiding us throughout our journey of organizing such interesting seminars at our campus as well. Thank you very much. Thank you all, and congratulations to all the young scientists, achievers, for bringing the pride for their respective institutes as well as to them. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, now I would like to invite you, our co-convener, Dr. Professor Raj Singh, sir. Professor Raj Singh, sir.
Please unmute yourself. Raj sir, please unmute yourself. Okay, so I would like to invite our chief guest today's valedictory session, Professor Sandeep Malhotra sir. Please say a few words and bless us by your motivational wording. Please, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Very much, sir.
Okay. Sorry, terrible trouble with the network. Still camera is not getting. Anyway, it was a beautiful experience. In fact, this is the kind of thing which should go on in the institutions. Lovely, because routine studies won't work if we do not contribute to interactive exercises. And that is what I could find under the stewardship of Dr. Sharma. And this boy you have trained very well, Sushil. I believe
Thank you, sir.
they have long innings to play. And the kind of variety which the children have projected is really an emulative experience. The way you gathered them around and they designed so specifically certain things, area specific things, and particularly that Sudarshan and that girl I saw just now. Unfortunately, again, my network was interrupting, but that was a courageous representation. I believe these type of innovative and self-dependent ideas, if the children are trained for these kind of things, they have a long future and very reliable ones, because the exercises we study, they must be tested on the practical platform. And if you give them the platform at these kind of forums, this is something very contributive on the part of organization as well. So I must compliment the leadership and team behind you, as well as Professor Sharma and your that young man who sat for, I think, 8 days complete with you. That was lovely. So you said there was one attendee also who attended 100% attendance. That was remarkable. So if you incite enthusiasm like this is a real contribution to the academic world. I have my compliments to give to the whole system working behind you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind blessings. Thank you, sir. Mr. Siddharth, please.
Sir, Dr. Raj, sir, can you hear me or present here?
Yes, help.
हाँ, प्रोफेसर राज कुछ कहेंगे कुछ इसके बारे में, सेमिनार के बारे में? They wanted to know some of your wishes, kind words.
Yes. First of all, to congratulate to all of you and organizing team, especially Sir Dr. Anil Sharma ji, Rahotra sir, Dr. Sushil Upadhyay, all the members, organizing committee, and all the delegates or research scholars and students attend the seminar. And this is the very informative and the very interactive.
अच्छा, just a minute.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your
Hello.
kind blessings. Yes, sir.
Hello. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir. Now, sir, first of all, I would like to thank God who considered me worthy to stand in the discussion with all of you. After that, I want to thank that the great man because of which we have gathered here today to celebrate Darwin's birthday. I am thankful to Honorable Sri Tasreem Kumar Garg, Chancellor, MMDU Mulana, and Professor Ashok Kumar Garg, Principal, MM Engineering College, Mulana. I am thankful to respected Chairperson, the backbone of the conference, Professor Anil K. Sharma, former postdoc or senior research scientist, UIC Chicago, USA, and head of the Department of Biotechnology, MMDU Mulana. In the other words of Shakespeare, I can no other answer make than thanks and thanks. I would like to thank the most important person of this conference, Dr. Sushil Kumar Upadhyay, sir, President, Sarda Institute of Science, Technology, Education and Research, and Assistant Professor Biotechnology MMDU Mulana, Professor Raj Singh sir, Department of Biotechnology MMEC, and co-convener and organizing secretary Ms. Karisma Sharma and Ms. Diksha Sharma, and the coordinator and the technical manager Mansi Srivastav and Ms. Suhasini. Last but not least, I am thankful to Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India, Defense Research and Development Organization, Ministry of Defense, Government of India, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Government of India, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Banaras Hindu University, and many more for their invaluable aids in acknowledgement matters related to the event. The conference will provide a common platform for distinguished scientists, researchers, postgraduate and undergraduate students to understand, discuss and debate over the new development and scientific advertisement then will impact future strategy to invent and various debatable human diseases. My colleagues and my seniors, I thank you in the name of the most ancient science in the world. I thank you in the name of the energy of the life beyond science. And I thank you in the name of the million and million of scientists of all over the national and international sector and section. I thank you in the name of the billion and trillion of thoughts of our mind and minds. On behalf of the organizing committee, I am grateful to all the guest speakers, number of experts, visiting from different educational institutes for sharing their experience from making this seminar popular to attract scholars from all over the world. We are very thankful to our chief guest and keynote speaker, Professor Sandeep Kumar Malhotra sir, Dr. Himanshu Oja, Scientist E, Dr. Anjani K. Tiwari sir, Dr. Usman Umar Jongo sir, Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma sir, Dr. Ashish Kumar Tripathi, Dr. Manoj Singh sir. I am thankful to our guest and speaker, national and international, to accept our invitations. I thank you in the name of the presents and participants. I thank you in the name of your important parts of the conference success, and I thank you in the name of the keeping the conference enjoyable. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Siddharth, thank you very much for nice vote of thanks. But I would like to extend my special gratitude on behalf of the organizing team and on my personal behalf to our chief patron, Honorable Chancellor MM Deemed to be University Mulana, and patrons respected MD, Secretary and Treasurer MM Trust Mulana, and Chairperson Honorable Vice Chancellor and respected Registrar MM Deemed to be University Mulana for kind permission, encouragement and blessings to organize this 7 days international virtual academic cum scientific event. Very much thankful to Professor Ashok Arora, Director MMEC, Professor J.K. Sharma, Dean Student Welfare, and Professor N.K. Batra sir, Dean Academics, for all-round support and blessings to making the event a grand success. I immensely privileged to express my sincere gratitude to our most dynamic, soft-spoken, kind-hearted person, Professor Anil K. Sharma sir, Professor and Head Department of Biotechnology, for giving all kinds of supports day and night time for making this event at this stage. My special thanks goes to all our special guests, delegates, and my Guru, Professor Sandeep Malhotra sir, for his kind blessings, suggestions for the improvement of this event at a grand. I express my sincere thanks to reverend members, national and international advisory boards, reviewers, and editorial panel for their incessant suggestions of this international seminar and making a 500 pages of proceedings holding ISBN. I would like to extend my gratitude to our colleagues of the department who are directly or indirectly associated to this event and did his all the best for making this event successful. I should not forget to thank the volunteers and student teams, especially the student coordinators at PhD scholars level, MSc graduates, as well as the technical coordinator for the guests, Dr. Gautam Kumar, Assistant Professor MMICTBM, MM deemed to be University, for their last week continuous effort to making and arranging this seminar. I would like to extend my gratitude to ICT, Publishing House, Public Relation team. Without you guys, this event was not possible. I would like to thank our digital media partner, publication partner, more especially Write and Print Publications, Rakesh Book Service, Bulletin of Pure and Applied Sciences, Probe Animal Sciences, Universe Publication Private Limited, Singapore, and Friends of Media for making their cooperation and coverage of this event. In the end, I would extend my gratitude to esteemed participating universities, college authorities, and their outstanding presentation and innovative ideas at this venture. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. In the last, I would like to invite our organizing secretary, Dr. Manoj Singh, to say a few words and finally bind up the today's session. Mr. Dr. Manoj Singh. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. It is indeed a great pleasure to be part of this team who work day and night on fulfilling and achieving the. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very much audible.
Okay, so it is a great pleasure to be part of this event, and a whole soul the responsibility taken by Dr. Sushil Kumar Upadhyay and his team has worked day and night in achieving this event going a grand success. And I would also thank all the guest speakers, invited speakers, faculty members from different various organizations and university, our head of department Anil sir for continuously supporting this event and making this grand success. And I wish everyone to be getting again associated in such future events. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice words and appreciation of the efforts. By the words Bande Matram and Jai Hind, I would like to conclude today's remark of the 7-day session. Thank you all for giving the time with us. And in the last, if any participant want to say something, it is open to them also. Our participants, delegates, awardees, if want to say something, please. Mr. Siddharth, allow all the participants to open your mic and say something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dr. Sakendya. Unmute yourself, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to give some words. In last 7 days, I will try to attend the conference. Due to some technical problem, I can't present my PowerPoint in this seminar, but lastly I have joined today. Thank you for all the experts. Very nice presentation. In the evening, I have attended the YouTube channel and listening all the presenters and very nice heartful thank to Dr. Sushil Kumar sir to join me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Anyone more, please? Mr. Akhilesh.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me an second award. I would like to thank the IAZ for giving me an opportunity to present our work here. This virtual conference was very informative. Many more diversity group of information was shared, and we get more information from the different part of the India, and what is work going on in the India we know here. That's why we can make a communication from our related work. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Akhilesh. You are not the second one. You are one of the best one. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It's a gold medal goes to you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next, please, Archisa Paul. Archisa Paul, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. I want the recording of my presentation and the award ceremony.
Yeah. Thank you.
So Archisha, I had a question for you. Archisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. So you said very elegantly presented your work, your theory about COVID. I had a question like you put WASH, and that is water, sanitation, and hygiene, isn't it? Can we also
Yes,
put
sir.
can we also here air, water, air, sanitation, and hygiene? just a thought. I thought about it because you put
Excuse me, sir. I didn't get you.
Because you put WA as water. Okay.
Yes, sir. WA as
then
water.
S for sanitation,
Sanitation.
and H for hygiene.
Yes,
So
sir.
can we do it like this? W for water, A for air, and then sanitation and hygiene.
Sir, definitely. That is.
Okay. Okay. But it is wonderful that I could see that at such a tender age, you have presented it so beautifully and elegantly. Congratulations. And thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So, thank you all. I suppose everyone has given their comments. Thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. Now, Mr. Siddharth, please switch off the meeting.